Conquering Self-Doubt, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the heart of what it means to live a life fueled by positivity and relentless pursuit of your dreams. Today, we're tackling a giant that lurks in the shadows of our minds: self-doubt. Hello, champions. Self-doubt is a tricky adversary. It's that inner voice that whispers, "You can't do it," "You're not good enough," or "Why even try?" But today, I'm here to guide you through conquering those doubts, step by step. Let's embark on this journey together. First, let's understand what self-doubt is. It's a natural emotion, rooted in fear and uncertainty. It's your brain's way of protecting you from potential failure. But when left unchecked, it can become a barrier to achieving your dreams. Recognizing self-doubt is the first step to overcoming it. It often comes disguised as rationality or practicality, but in essence, it's fear. Next, identify where your self-doubt stems from. Is it past failures, fear of the unknown, or perhaps external criticism? Understanding its origin is crucial in developing a strategy to defeat it. Write down instances when self-doubt held you back. Reflect on these moments and ask yourself, what was I afraid of? Now, it's time to challenge those doubts. For every negative thought, counter it with 2 positive affirmations. If your mind says, "I can't," remind yourself of times you've succeeded. This exercise isn't about ignoring your fears, but rather confronting them with evidence of your capabilities. You're not alone in this fight. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your dreams. Their support can be a powerful antidote to self-doubt. A strong support system provides perspective, encouragement, and accountability. Finally, the most crucial step: take action. Self-doubt diminishes each time you confront it head-on. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button for more motivational videos.